Yo, what is good, boys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get a completely black desktop as well as a completely black taskbar. So the problem with most of these videos I've seen on YouTube is they're either complicated to follow in the registry for people who have no idea what they're doing, or they're just not actually a completely black taskbar. So they'll be using like some sort of transparency effects to make it kind of look black, or just something stupid like that. This is just going to get you an actually solid taskbar. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Before we do that, some of the benefits of this are, obviously it's just easier on the eyes. I think it looks good. Strangely enough, this gets you about 1 to 2 more FPS in game and very slight lower input delay. So with all these benefits, there's really no reason not to do it. If you don't like the look of it, just go ahead and do it just to the taskbar. I'm going to teach you how to do it to both. So let's go ahead and get right into it. You're going to click the Windows key, hold that down, then click I. Now you're going to go to personalization, and you're going to go to colors. So as you can see in here, there's actually no black color. I have a black color in here because I've done this, but there's no default black color. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to uncheck transparency effects. As you can see, this is what that does to the taskbar. That can mess with frames very slightly, and I just don't like the look of it. Now you're going to check both of these boxes and check dark down here. So to get the fully black background, you're just going to go to background, click solid color, and black. So now that you have all of this set up, you can just run the regedit file I have in the description. I'm just going to walk you through what this does. So basically it changes the entire color palette to all have zeros. What this means is it's not possible for Windows to generate any other color but black. It does the same for the start color menu and the accent color menu. I did see another YouTuber teach me how to make this, but he did not leave the regedit in the description. So I'm going to go ahead and link that video just so I'm not ripping him off, but nowhere else on YouTube have I seen this easy of a tutorial. So now that you have all of that set up, you're just going to go ahead and run this, click yes and OK. For me, it's going to give me the fully black taskbar right now, because as you can see in colors, I already had it in there because I've activated this regedit a couple times. For you, it'll probably still be the color it was before, and you'll just need to reset. Now after you have this, I'd go ahead and click Windows key and I one more time, go to personalization, themes, and then click save theme. As you can see, I have my theme saved, so in case anything ever accidentally gets changed, I won't have to go through all this again. I can just click on here and apply the theme. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was useful to you. Go ahead and share this to a friend, and I'll see you all later.